Doesn't it remind you of the sunset? You know, like Cuba or something, like somewhere beautiful, not like a cold place like Canada. I'm joking. I love Canada. I'm not talking crap. I love Canada, okay? Now that I have you hooked into my video, I know you're not going anywhere, so let's get straight to the video, and I'm gonna try my best not to ramble. So the palette that we are going in with today is this one by Juvia. This is the Zulu palette, and I love this palette. Wait for it. Oh my gosh. Guys, how gorgeous is this palette? You know what? Oh, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be like a sunset look, okay? So we're gonna use these 3 shades right here. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna start off by dipping into this orange shade and put that directly on my lid. Let's build this orange shade up and we can blend it later. I do a lot of oranges on my channel. I don't know what it is. I just really like it, or maybe it's just because it's summer, and we barely get summer here in Canada, so I like to enjoy my oranges and my bright shades while I can. Did you notice I'm on my pajamas? It's literally because, let's be real here, I'm not going anywhere and I'm lazy and I don't want to wear anything that I don't really have to. Finding an outfit is literally work, and no thank you. Oh my gosh, that is so bright. Isn't that gorgeous? Holy cow. I'm gonna dip into this gorgeous pink magenta shade, whatever it may be. That's layering so well. The last shade that we're gonna go in with is this purple one, and we're going to apply that right here. And you're gonna have some fallout, because I have some fallout here, and that's fine. We're gonna wipe it away later. So I'm just blending it into my pink here. Let's pack it in. I'm really taking it in my outer corner here as well. So merging it into the pink at the top, and at this point I'm going to start to very gently blend this purple out. I'm gonna apply some loose powder underneath my eyes. If any shadow falls on top of it, I can wipe it away later. I am blending that purple right in, and I'm blending it out as well. See how smoky that became? That looks really, really pretty. Alright, going back in with that pink shade, I'm going to just take it from the corner of my eye here and very gently start blending it into the purple. And I like to use the word marry the 2 shades together. I know that I already placed down the orange, but see how it got lost? So what I want to do now is I'm going to go in and actually cut the crease. So I'm gonna start it right at the corner. Since I have hooded eyes, I like to look straight into my mirror and sort of open up my eyes so I can see how far it would open, and then I do it based on that. So keeping my eyes wide open. That's about it right there. And then we are going to take that gorgeous orange shade and we're gonna land it right on this part. Beautiful. Now we're gonna just very gently start to blend this orange into the purple. I'm gonna take that purple shade and sort of blend that together. taking that initial pink shade, and I'm just, because it kind of got diffused, I'm gonna bring it back to life here. Alright, I'm gonna create like an outer V with this purple. So I'm bringing it sort of in the middle and almost like a wing. I'm winging it out and connecting it to the top here. Now we're gonna go ahead and smoke out the bottom lower lash line. So I'm gonna start off with the purple on the outer corner here. Then in the middle, I'm going in with the pink. I'm going to go in with my favorite highlighter, and I'm going to highlight my inner corner. Alright, so that's looking amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, put some lashes on, put some liner on, and I will be right back. Hi everyone, I am back with both of my eyes done, and I have some lashes on as well. And I actually went ahead with a little bit of a lighter highlight because I really thought that that would make this look pop. Let's go ahead and finish up the lips, and then we will have a better idea of what this look is turning out to be. So I'm thinking, because the look is so, you know, ba-bam, I could either do like a purple and completely ruin the eye look, or I can go with a nude as usual. So let's go in with a nude. This one is Pitch by ColourPop, by the way. Doesn't really go. It's totally muted, but it works. Alright, so this nude lipstick was in the shade On Mute, and this is Anastasia. So this one was really, really pretty. I'm digging it. Alright, so the blush that I'll be going in with is this one by L'Oreal, and this is called Charming. And it's sort of like a deeper peach tone, and I think that would look really pretty. Oh my gosh, yes. That's looking amazing. Let's go in with my favorite highlighter, shall we? So I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild highlighting powder. This is in the shade Precious Petals. It's my favorite. I really hope that they don't discontinue this highlight because I'm gonna cry. All right, very, very lightly. I don't know what it is about highlighters, but they just make me so happy. This is literally when I start glowing like a goddess. Okay, so the final step is for us to set our face. So I'm gonna take my Morphe setting spray, drench my face. Oh my god. Okay, so alright guys, this right here is the end of the tutorial, and I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you loved it as much as I loved making it for you. And I hope that you go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below on what you'd like to see next so that I can do that for you. I love you so freaking much. You're awesome, you're beautiful, and until next time, take care.